In order to start working with Checkpoint and to actually install it in our lab, we need to get an ISO file from which we're going to be installing our operating system. There are two ways of how you can do that, two websites from where you can get it. The first website is called usercenter.checkpoint.com, and the second one is called supportcenter.checkpoint.com. The thing is, from usercenter.com, we're going to go to support and go to support center. And we're going to get to the same website I've just shown you, support center. But the reason why I'm showing you user center is basically because if you want to start working with Checkpoint infrastructure, you have to get used to these two websites where you're going to work a lot. Alright, anyway, so if you want to get to support center from user center, you go here and go for support and services and then navigate to support center. Once again, it's the same website. You can just bookmark supportcenter.checkpoint.com. Okay, once you're here, you have a search bar, and first we need to find an operating system we want to install, an older version or a newer version. It's up to you. The latest version right now, it's R80.40, and we don't even have to look for it. It's right here on the screen. Checkpoint showing it to us in our face that unified security over 100 new features, and that's true. But not all of us want like the latest version for some reason. Maybe you have that reason. In order to or maybe you don't have that advertisement here. So how to find it? So you just type in the name of the version. You type in R80.40 in a search bar, and then you click enter. And the first line you're gonna see is the SK with that number. Don't really care for the number as long as you see Checkpoint R80.40, and it has a lot of stars rated by people. So once you open that, you're gonna see a whole page where you are able to download the latest version. You just scroll down, and in downloads you see clean install, and this version is okay for security gateway, standalone, or security management. I'm going to repeat that throughout the course, but let me say it. Security gateway contains all the features that Checkpoint provide, such as firewall blade, IPS intrusion prevention system, IDS intrusion detection system, all blades that are related to catching the malicious traffic or sorted by source to destination in a stateful way. Security management server contains capabilities of storing policies and then deploying these policies to security gateway. That architecture provides more security, and in case one device, let's say security gateway, goes down, you have all policies stored in your security management server. Or if your management server goes down, if you're not able to manage your policies, your security gateway is working absolutely fine without any issues. I will repeat that again if it's not clear. I just have to do that. And a standalone, this is where we have security gateway and security management server combined in one image. For the R80.40 version, it's the same ISO file for all of these three options that we have, and we decide what exactly we want with that image during the installation. So anyway, we click install, and you have to wait a little bit of time until we download 4 GB of Checkpoint ISO. The Smart Console is a fat client, let's call it this way, to manage our policies. Smart Console installs on Windows machine, and then we type in the IP address over the security management server or a standalone if you choose so, and then we are able to navigate, and we're going to do that as well. So for now, just click install and Smart Console. In case you want any other version apart from R80.40, let's say you want a previous version, R80.20. You just type in the search bar R80.20 and go for it. You just click enter and go there, navigate to this page. And the funny thing is, for different versions there are different combinations how you can download it. For R80.20 there is a separate ISO file for security gateway and standalone, and separate ISO file for security management server. Let's check out for R80.10 just for your reference, so you know there is a difference what version to download. In this course we will be doing a standalone. We're going to combine management server and the gateway capabilities in one standalone machine. And yeah, as you can see, for R80.10 version there is only one ISO file. Okay, so let's download that and continue.